Hi everyone, welcome to Motor Connect Northwich. Today we're just going to do a quick walk around video for you of this lovely low mileage Toyota CHR hybrid 1.8 XL. As you can see, this car is finished in a fantastic colour combination. Obviously it's black metallic with the 18-inch graphite grey alloy wheels. And obviously this car will, as you can see as we go further around, will come with the privacy and tinted glass. So this car really does look extremely well. As we move on into the interior of the vehicle, again you'll see it's finished with the full leather. It's got a heated seat, it's got your sat nav, it's got Bluetooth, it's got reversing camera, climate control, air conditioning and much more. As we move on to the rear of the vehicle, again you'll see it's got the spoiler on the back. Obviously it has got the rear parking sensors, and it does also come with front parking sensors again on this vehicle. Obviously if you would like any more information on this vehicle, please feel free to give us a call on 01606 539 359, or please feel free to visit the website www.motorconnect.co.uk. Thank you, bye bye.